Hey guys, come play pickleball with me. So today we have open play. It's 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. sa Rally Point. And yeah, pickle nights na club siya. Ngayon kasi inaantay ko yung kapatid ko. It's already 9:44 p.m. and wala pa rin yung kapatid ko. Sabi niya ihatid sundo niya ako kasi it's my alone time today. So di ko siya kasama and ako lang yung maglalaro ng open play. Usually kasi magkasama talaga kami pero as of now, alam niyo naman na alone time ko. So, ayun, naglalaro ako ngayon. Intermediate and up kasi yung open play na yun. So, hopefully, papawisan tayo ng super kasi yun lang naman yung gusto kong mangyari. And mag-enjoy ako. Pagpawisan, mag-enjoy. Matuto, gumaling. Yun dapat. So guys, kakatawag lang ng kapatid ko. And buti naman, tumawag ka. Ayusin ko lang yung bag ko. Mag-shoes na ako. And then, I'm out. So guys, I'm done with my first game. And waiting tayo for our second game. By the way, panalo pala tayo ng first game and game. Okay, second game naman later. And let's see. Ewan ko kung makapag-vlog din ako kasi kinda shy mag-vlog. Pero let's try later.
Sino gusto humawa? Yay!
Go girls! Hey guys, every time I open play, may picture kami and then ipopost yan. There pala guys, yung staka namin all girls. So, kalaro natin sila. Ate R.A., si Ate Stel. Then yung saan tayo? Where are we? Di mo alam? Ate, magising ka naman. Okay. Nasa gatubab kami, biglang ayaw. Wala kang tayo. Hindi, mag-water na lang ako. Hindi, yung manager. Manager namin din guys.